care if you beg or whore yourself out. I want 700,000 yen by tomorrow. Otherwise, we chop you up and sell the bits.
Don't care if you
What?
Don't care if you whore yourself out.
What? Why he do him like that?
NST, the Ninja Smoke Tent. Yes, sir. Today we checking out Chainsaw Man, Episode 1, Season 1. Well,
Chainsaw Man?
Yeah, Chainsaw Man.
Okay.
So Dredd has not seen it. This is his first time reacting to it.
First
We're gonna
time.
react to the whole season. We're gonna watch the first season.
The first
and
season.
catch up to the second season.
Catch up to the second season.
Before it comes out.
Before it comes out.
Yeah, that's what I was trying to say.
Okay.
Let's get into it. All my smoke tent ninjas, pirates, soul reapers, spark up with us and let's go.
So this is all anime.
Yeah.
This is pretty dope. Anime.
It looks good. So this is the dude who created that movie.
Tree cutting nets me about 60,000 yen a month. And that kidney I just sold was 1.2 mil.
Did he say a kidney?
My right eye was 300,000.
Oh, damn.
Sold one of my nuts too. How
Oh,
much did they
damn.
go for again? Not even 100K, I think.
Damn.
Boy, broke.
So as of today, I owe over 38 million yen.
What?
Most devils ain't what you'd call good, but a dead one's good for about 300 thou. Hunting devils is easily the best way to make some cash.
Motherfucker like a tomato with eyes.
Right. And a sideways mouth.
Right. This is interesting.
It's very
Yeah, this thing's gotta be the tomato devil, sir. Burn the seeds or it'll use them to come back for round 2.
Ah, excellent work, Denji.
Tomato
Someone
devil.
on the black market is bound to pay a hefty sum for this fresh corpse. Pulls it down to 170,000. Then there's the
Damn.
finder's fee, admin fee, management costs, and so on.
Damn.
Just 70K left for me. I definitely gotta use this cut to pay the water bill. And then there are the debts I still owe to other people. Funny how that works.
Damn.
We're already down to 1,800 yen, Pochita. 100 yen lasts the rest of the month. For dinner tonight, let's
Damn.
go full-on carbivore and split a slice of bread, okay?
I really don't understand why you hire a punk like that to take out devils.
It's to ensure he pays off the mountain of debt he owes us. But not him. Denji's biggest perk is how obedient he is.
Hey, Fido. I'll give you 100 yen if you swallow the cigarette. Huh?
Whoa, you will?
Damn.
Alright, down the hatch this sucker goes.
We'll be in touch. Keep in mind your pig slop if you try to skip town.
Damn.
did him dirty.
That's fucked up.
Now we're set for another 3 days. Normal's a pipe dream for folks down on their luck like us, huh? Bet that I'll bite the big one before I ever pay off this debt.
Can't even afford jam.
Man.
Probably won't kick it with a girl before I kick the bucket either. My
Damn.
doesn't exactly scream romance. No dough to go on.
Yeah, the
dates.
author is dark.
Dang.
Just like how Look Back was dark.
If dreams do come true,
This is
before I
wild.
croak, I want to be with a girl.
He said, before I die, I want to hit some cheeks.
Man. You can't even get with no girl.
Can't afford jam. What's he gonna do for a girl?
That cowardly
Right.
bastard strung himself up before paying this month's installment. Look, kid, I don't care if you beg or whore yourself out. I want 700,000 yen by tomorrow. Otherwise, we chop you up and sell the bits. Got it?
I don't care if you
What?
I don't care if you whore yourself out.
What?
We're gonna
Why
chop
he
you
do
up.
him like that?
At the
He
graveside?
said 700,000 by tomorrow.
At the graveside of his dad is crazy.
Chainsaw?
Jesus.
It's a devil. Hurry up and do it if you're gonna kill me. I'm dead either way.
700,000 by tomorrow? What?
You're hurt. Take a bite! I heard that by drinking blood, devils can heal whatever wounds they've got.
What?
My blood doesn't come free. You're signing a contract. I'd rather not die yet.
Well, that's wild.
Here's an idea. Hire me as a devil hunter so I can pay off what I owe.
Now, I think about money when I can't sleep, which makes falling asleep even harder. When I do cop some Z's, I know what dream I want to have. Gonna put jam on all my bread, split every piece with you. Then I'll lay on the charm and flirt with a girl. We'll spend the night playing video games
Man,
together and hug each other
this is
as we
wild.
doze off.
Oh shit, he's sick. That ain't jam, player.
No.
It just runs in my family. They said my mom died from a heart condition that made her cough up blood.
What?
That's a crazy condition.
for you, Denji. Time to go to work.
He's just got the worst luck in the fucking world.
Jesus. Wow. Like, this is crazy work.
Yeah, the story's amazing. He doesn't even dream.
Dude, this is insane. Like, this is
Doesn't have time
this is
to
insane
dream.
work.
Apart from us, I don't see a soul. You think it's hiding somewhere? Or maybe it made like a bird and flocked off.
You know we're grateful for your years of service, yes?
Yeah, of course.
You're as loyal and obedient as a dog. And to top it off, you work for cheap treats like one as well. Only problem with dogs is I can never tolerate the stench.
What? Oh, damn.
The Yakuza may be
both.
powerful, but even the ones on top dream of getting bigger and richer. So we took a page from your book and struck a deal with the devil. We wanted to obtain demonic power and see ourselves grow stronger.
Whereas I want to see every devil hunter in existence perish. I have to tell you, little devil hunter, I've met runks that were smarter than these outside. Because now I have to butcher you. Go, mindless minions. Tear them apart and toss every piece you collect into the dumpster.
Shit!
What the fuck? What the fuck?
Zombie devil.
What the fuck just happened? Oh no. This dude better fucking get some type of superpower or something. You better do something, player. Yeah, man, you something bad about to happen to you, player. Oh, fuck. Ah! Oh shit!
It's not like I was asking to be freaking king of the world. But I don't even get to have that much!
What? Yeah, he did. What?
Blood brought it back.
Look, I'm 99.9% positive I'm gonna die fighting a devil someday. And my one regret will be leaving you on your own. What if you can't feed yourself and just starve to death? Or another devil hunter slaughters you in cold blood? Then you get up and leave this town and be ordinary. I want you to live a normal life and die a normal death. You'll live out the dreams I never could.
This is crazy. Oh shit. And he was all chopped up.
They both was.
Pochita. You did it, huh? Took my body like I asked?
Just so you know, I've always loved listening to you talk about your dreams, Denji. Here's a new contract for you. This time you're getting my heart. In exchange, show me your dreams. That's all I ask of you.
Pochita! Pochita?
What's going on here? You're still alive after being cut to ribbons? Wait.
We were alike. Pochita made me happy, and that should have been enough. Can't really say I blame you for that.
If you're gonna get in our way, then you can all die!
What?
Eating him's bound to keep that whelp dead for good.
Boy, got the chainsaw blade.
One of us.
What the fuck? Oh no. Oh yeah. Oh yeah.
Move! Get back! Don't come any closer! Don't you dare budge from that spot! Stay where you
This is
are,
crazy.
you freak!
Hey, he let him have it.
He's going in. Rampage.
Right? Hey, he killing the game. And that's because he pulled the string.
Yeah.
I'm on the clock, so I should kill you devils dead! Oh yeah! Once you jerks are worm food, it's bye-bye dead! I won't know a damn thing!
Oh my god. The laughing though. The laughing though.
The psychotic,
The
bloodthirsty laugh.
What? Why? Why?
Someone beat us to the punch.
Yep. Oh, he said that.
Looks like that one there.
That'll be terrifying.
He just in there just chilling.
Huh.
So he doesn't go back to
Your
normal?
scent is rather peculiar.
He does.
Okay,
It's
I was gonna
neither
say,
a
damn.
human's nor a devil's.
I can't remember why he's stuck like
So
this.
then,
Maybe he's
this your
exhausted.
handiwork?
What? Oh, damn.
He's a human.
Is there any indication that he's been possessed?
None. It'd be written all over his face if he were. Just so we're clear, I'm a public safety devil hunter. I came to kill the zombie devil that was here. You have two options. Either you die by my hand as a depraved devil, or you let me keep you as a human being. For the record, my pets get delicious food.
Delicious food, huh? So what's on the breakfast menu?
Bread with butter and jam is always a given at my table. Coffee and salad's also good. And then maybe
She
dessert.
said the butter with the jam on it. He said,
like,
oh
you know
my
he's
God.
convinced. Jam.
He said, oh my God. Let me get some of that butter and that jam, please.
He's like, jam? Where's butter?
Dreams ever just came true.
It's like, oh shit. God, let me dream. Dream about the butter and the bread.
How you feel about it? How you liking it?
Hey, Chainsaw Man's going ham,
That
dude.
shit's crazy.
Hey, I fuck with it. That's crazy than the motherfucker. That shit just melted away. He was like, oh. Like he had to go back to his human form. I fuck with it. I fucks with
like,
that.
Let me keep you as a human.
I fucks with that. He said delicious food.
Yep. That
Shit,
jam.
what's on the menu? She said, oh, bread
it's always
with
a
jam.
delicacy to have bread with butter and jam.
or coffee and salad. What? What kind of mix up?
Coffee and salad is crazy.
Like that's crazy.
That's wild work. But whatever. So
Hey,
you want to keep checking out the whole series?
I want to see this man get that debt paid down.
Yeah.
I want to see him eat some bread with some
he don't-
jam on it.
He don't got the debt no more. He just killed the whole Yakuza clan.
That's what that. Oh,
They all turned into devils.
That's what that was.
Yeah, that was the clique, and he.
I was wondering, did that old guy look familiar with the hat? Yeah. Okay.
He was the one who showed up to his grave and was like, "Give me the 700,000 tomorrow, or we fucking."
That's crazy work.
Yeah.
Tomorrow, kid. I don't care what you have to do. I don't care if you just buried your father. You give me 700,000.
Right. Or we're
tomorrow.
fucking chopping you into pieces.
Or I'm gonna chop you into pieces. What?
And then he became a devil. He let him do some dirty work for him, make some bread, and then he's like, "Fuck it, we're still gonna kill you." But we took your idea about becoming a devil and chewed on or made a contract.
Yes, that. Yep. Okay. Yep.
Yeah.
Yep.
Uh-huh.
Okay.
So then they all became zombies for the zombie devil.
Dude. And he chopped their ass up.
And now he's working.
Chop that ass up.
Right. Well, not working. Now he's a slave, basically, for that girl.
Hey, shit, whatever. She
Yep.
probably cold.
Comes with the jam.
Hey, she got the bread and the jam. It don't matter.
That's
Shit.
all that matters. But once again, this was NST, the
Ninja
Ninja
Smoke
Smoke Tent, and we out.